Oh, bald head. Hey guys, welcome back. This morning I'm going to start working on finishing off these cab mounts. I have to build up a little bit in here, and I got to put another piece over top of this, and then same on that side. That's the project for today. And get everything set up, and I'll bring you back in a little bit when I'm organized. So you got the template all marked out, ready to transfer to some steel. Measured or marked out on the steel, ready for cutting. A little bit of gentle persuasion with the hammer, and we are fitting in there. Next step, weld it in. That's one side in. We just have to drill a hole for the body mount. Template number 2 ready to be turned into steel. Traced out and ready to be cut. And like that, the second patch is in. I still have to fix this hole that's oblong, but that I think I'm just going to weld a washer in there and make it strong. And I still got to drill the hole over there. But the two pieces we wanted to do today are in and welded. Just got to do some finish grinding later. Yeah. Super happy with that. Oh, bald head. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.